And now you're mine. These are the I'm a mom and I dance with my finger shooters. Pew, pew, pew. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am giving you my first Halloween look of the season, which is good because this is Halloween week. Get it? I just said witches, which is good. So I'm going to do something super original. I'm going to do Hocus Pocus. It's not original. That is my wig. It's blonde. So hint, hint, I'm doing Sarah, the youngest. Sarah Jessica Parker. Sarah Sanderson. And you know what? You know why? Because I have the blonde wig and because honestly her makeup is really kind of easy. I mean, I think it's a smoky eye. It is a smoky, kind of not very well blended eye with really dark eyebrows and really dark lips and very pale skin. So I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. So you guys just play along with me and have some fun and let's do this. I'm putting on the wig thing that was holding the wig and I'm using it like a hairnet because somebody said, who said that? Was that Mikey? Was that Candy? Who said to do that? Well, let's just, I'm gonna use this NYX Pro Foundation Mixer. This is white, so this will lighten any foundation you have, and I'm using like the lightest foundations I could come up with. I've got this Kokie in 10C, and then I have the Milani 00B. Me and Milani, I love them, but that foundation never was my friend. What's funny is you guys see me when I do foundation featured, and I always find the shade that's like too light, so I'll just use that, right? I am kind of the school of thought. I love Halloween. I love dressing up. I love dressing up for the makeup. So for me, it's not just about putting on a costume. It's about doing the entire look. This is translucent powder. It's the hard candy. It's actually pretty pale. I mean, it's translucent, but it definitely doesn't add any coverage, so that's good. Or pigment. Okay, she doesn't have a ton of contour. She has a very long face. I have a long face. I feel like my face is kind of similar to hers. I'm gonna start with eyeshadow just because if I have a lot of fallout and I have to put more powder or do something else, I might as well do that towards the end. I'm gonna use my Born to Run from Urban Decay, and I'm going to focus on Punk and Jet and Drift just because those are dark shades, and so I'm just going to build a really dark, messy, smoky eye. So I'm going to start with Drift. And she has mostly her lid is dark. Yeah, her lid is dark. There's actually a little bit of brown in there. I'm gonna go over that. Now I'm going to go in Punk. I'm also going to use my Suva Beauty palette. This is their Neutral Necessity. Suva is fabulous for day-to-day makeup and effects and fantasy makeup. So this is an all-purpose palette. You can use it for your face, eyes, anything, body, and this white shade. I bought this at IMATS a few years ago, and they're a Canadian company, and they're definitely, if you are a professional makeup artist and you've not heard of Suva, you should check them out because they're good. But it's like, it's so good to get a white that doesn't have like, you know, a duochrome, like, oh look, it's turning kind of pink, or oh, it's actually kind of gold. And you know, there's no frost or anything like that, so you know what you're getting. That. Basically, I think any Halloween look that lets you just pack on dark eyeshadow, so good, right? Now, I am going to use, I'm actually going to use this amber shade from Doll 10 in my waterline. Red sort of makes your eyes can look tired, it can look almost irritated, which I feel like that would be, that's kind of cool. I will do black, but I'm doing this first. And then, I look like the nun. And then I'm gonna use black. This is also Doll 10, it's their Aqua gel liners, and they're so great. And I'm just gonna really line heavily underneath. And I'm going to go in the corner too, because this is going to be messy. I kind of got that in my waterline anyway. Whatever. I'm going to use the same pencil for my eyebrows. It's going to be so much fun. Okay, one eyebrow of hers really is arched. This is fun. I'm also mixing it though with regular brow products. I've got the dark shade in the Benefit. It's so much fun. It's so much fun. Okay. Good. Okay, I'm gonna contour. I'm actually gonna contour down here. She has a really long chin. have a beard. Where's that stuff in powder? Okay, I'm gonna throw on the mascara. This one is going straight out and this one is going burp. The best lipstick for any kind of fun Besame, this dark liner. And I'm going to keep my lips small because hers are kind of thin. And then 1930 is the shade I'm using from Besame. Yeah, I ate a little too vampy. Razzle Dazzle Red from e.l.f. over the top. Because it looks black and I want it to look red. Okay, that's better. I'm trying to make it so you can see it. Okay. Wake. Thank you, Mr. Owl. I'll be right back. Come back. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Wigs are everything. So is Goodwill. So I got this wig off of Amazon a couple years ago and it's actually really good. It's supposed to be like for Barbie, or maybe it's even supposed to be like Lolita cosplay. But it's pretty good. And then this dress is from Goodwill. It's a Jessica McClintock. It does not fit. I couldn't zip it. And we got this cape from like Salvation Army or something years and years and years ago. And it's been in so many plays and so many Halloween. Like if you see a velvet cape at a thrift store, buy it. So I just love this. The wig isn't perfect. I don't know what else to do about it, but hey, you know what? I think you can tell who I am, right? Oh, I just love this dress. It's like, it's got a corset. Like, oh, it's so cool. Oh. Oh, Winnie, you came. I need more bosom. Oh, good.
Sisters, All Hallows Eve has become a night where children dress in costumes and run amok. Sophie.
This is perfect.
Oh look, another glorious morning. Makes me sick.
Oh my god, this wig hurts. Okay, look, it's Mary. You used one of her spells and turned her into a dog. Look, here, you can do the funny lip thing, honey. Oh, poor baby. Alrighty, shall we close? Should we say goodbye and thank you for watching? Oh! I don't know, that's just I don't even know.
My paper teeth are falling apart.
Sarah's lines are just, what did she say about a snack or, oh, she says something.
Dead man's toe.
Dead man's toe! Dead man's toe! Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't look at her because her makeup is better, but I'm younger and prettier. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Oh, I can't wait to get this wig on. And I hope you're subscribed to my channel, and I hope you enjoy Hocus Pocus, and even if you don't, I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment below and click the thumbs up and all that good stuff. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Subscribe or I'll put a